Hi guys, Connor Green here. I'm here on Marco Island. I'm super excited because there's this 14th floor view up there that I'm about to show you guys, and it has panoramic views of this beach, this white sandy beach, sunrises, sunsets. I mean, it's really crazy up there. It's super nice, beautiful remodeled master bath, and just, I mean, the views, the location, you just really can't beat it. And the best thing is the price is actually going to be amazing, and it's going to be the only one price like this on the market. So let's go take a look.